Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the world of $PHI, the PHI protocol token, which is associated with the Base blockchain. His token has potential use cases in governance and staking within the PHI ecosystem, and this guide will provide you with a comprehensive overview of how to buy $PHI. So, what exactly is $PHI protocol? It's a decentralized finance, or DeFi, protocol, and its primary function is to incentivize liquidity and provide utility on the Base blockchain. The $PHI token itself has several utilities. It's used for governance within the PHI protocol, allows users to earn staking rewards, participate in protocol activities, and may even have future use cases within the PHI ecosystem. $PHI is built on the Base blockchain to take advantage of its low fees and scalability, providing significant benefits for its users. Now, let's explore where you can buy $PHI. You can find it on MEXC Global, where you'll need to create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds like USDT before trading for the $PHI/USDT pair. MEXC offers advantages like liquidity and accessibility. You can also buy $PHI on Uniswap, specifically versions 2 and 3 on the Base network. To do this, you'll connect your wallet, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet, to Uniswap on Base, and then swap ETH, USDC, or other tokens for $PHI. Remember to understand slippage and gas fees on Base. Be sure to check for the official $PHI contract address on Base. Finally, you can find $PHI on Aerodrome Finance, which plays a crucial role in the Base ecosystem. You will connect your wallet to Aerodrome and swap for $PHI there, potentially benefiting from incentives. Let's break down the step-by-step buying process in detail. If you choose to use MEXC, start by registering an account using the provided link to MEXC Global, and complete the necessary verification steps. Next, deposit funds using supported cryptocurrencies. Copy the deposit address and verify the transaction. Then, navigate to the $PHI/USDT trading pair, place a market or limit order, and confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. If you prefer Uniswap on Base, begin by setting up MetaMask for the Base network, adding the network through the settings. Then, navigate to Uniswap's interface on Base and connect your wallet. To swap for $PHI, select the token you want to swap, such as ETH or USDC, enter the $PHI contract address, set your slippage tolerance, and confirm the transaction. Finally, if you choose Aerodrome, start by navigating to Aerodrome's interface on Base using the link. Make sure your wallet is connected to the Base network, select the tokens for the swap, and confirm the transaction. Before you proceed, let's talk about security. Protecting your wallet is paramount, so always prioritize the security of your seed phrase and consider using a hardware wallet. Be aware of common cryptocurrency scams and always verify contract addresses. Finally, always do your own research, as this is not financial advice. In conclusion, you now have a solid understanding of how to buy $PHI on MEXC, Uniswap, and Aerodrome. Remember to always do your own research before investing. We encourage you to begin your journey with $PHI protocol and the Base blockchain, but please be informed and cautious. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.